welcome back to my channel. I'm Mia, and today's look I played with the color orange. I was headed to brunch with some friends, so I wanted to do something really simple and pretty. My brows are filled in using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and my eyelids are primed with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in original. I'm going in with a Luxie blending brush right now using my Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and I took those two orange shades that you saw right there, and I'm just putting them in my crease. At one point my camera started wigging out, so as you can see right there, I was just trying to get it back on track. But like I said, I'm just blending it in and trying to make my crease nice and like a vibrant orange. Going back in with that palette, I'm going to take that light orange shimmer shade and pack it all over my lid using a flat eyeshadow brush. I wanted this look to be really simple, so I didn't use too many eyeshadow colors, but I definitely wanted to use a shimmer, and I thought that this orange would look really great on my skin. So I'm just packing it along, and as I go higher on my lid, I go lighter and lighter so that it isn't such a harsh transition from the orange shade to the shimmery orange shade. I just wanted it to be nice and smooth. So now, using that same Luxie brush I used for my transition shade, I picked it back up with no additional product on the brush, and I'm just cleaning it up so that everything is nice and smooth and flows, and then I'm going in with a Neutrogena wipe to clean up any fallout that I had underneath. Continuing with the eyes, I wanted to do a wing, so I used my NYX Vinyl Liquid Eyeliner. This is the best liquid liner for a wing, and I'm taking my time with it because I haven't done a wing in so long. I was very anxious, and I swear, like, liquid eyeliner can smell your fear. So I managed to take my time, and it turned out pretty well, in my opinion. See, look, I even had to breathe a sigh of relief because I was so nervous, but we figured it out. So now, using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, I'm getting my lashes ready for fake lashes. And the lashes that I wore today were the Ardell Double Up 206 lashes. I've been on a wild chase trying to find them. They are sold out everywhere I go, but thank God for my mom, she picked some up for me. And now for my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer. I really like this primer. It was the first time I ever used it, and I've loved it. It felt so good on my skin. And then for my foundation, I decided to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm in the shade Chestnut, and this is one of my go-to foundations because I know it'll always make my skin look nice and glowy and smooth and just all around even. And I'm just blending that out with a damp beauty blender. Moving on to concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm in the shade, I believe it's like Tan Sand or Cool Tan, or I'll link it down below, something tan. And I'm just hitting that in the areas that I want to highlight before going in and blending it out with my beauty blender. What I love most about this concealer is, compared to others, it just gives me a really nice soft glow, and I don't feel like dry or too cakey with it. It just blends perfectly into my skin. So now to set it, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm taking a flat Vanity Planet brush and just hitting the areas that I used to highlight with my concealer. To even up the rest of my face, I'm going with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation in the shade Hazelnut, and I'm just hitting the areas that I didn't hit with concealer so that we can just have a nice flawless finish. And I'm also using a Vanity Planet powder foundation brush. For my contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Truffle. I decided to skip the nose contour again for this video. I just haven't been in the mood lately, but I'm definitely hitting my cheeks, and now I'm going in with a e.l.f. Small stipple brush to just blend that all out. For bronzer, I'm using the Nars bronzer in the shade Casino and going back over my contour and the sides of my face just to add a little bit more color to my skin. So now to finish up my eyes, I'm using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette And for my lower lash line, I wanted to use the shade Zulu. It's a really pretty, like brick brown and reddish color. I love it. I think it looks so good on my skin. So I just wanted to deepen up my lower lash line a bit with that shade. To brighten my inner corner, I used the shade right next to Zulu called Danya. I hit my lower lash line with mascara off camera, but I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara again. And then I went in with my L'Oreal black eyeliner, just a tight line, and to hit my lower waterline for that as well. And now for highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Illuminator in Peach Nectar, just to keep with the orangey theme. I wanted something that was soft and pretty. So I thought that this lipstick I'm using called Spicy Mauve from Maybelline would look well with my NYX Butter Gloss, and I ended up hating it. I love the color, but not for this look. So see, I wiped it off, and then I went in with the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Raw Chocolate. It's a nice pretty nude shade, it's matte, and I just love the way it turned out with this look. So to finish things up, I'm going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and spray that everywhere just so that my makeup can stay in place and does not move for the rest of the day. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!